Hey you guys, it's Kennedy here. Welcome back to Kennedy's Corner. And today I'm opening up Fingerlings. And I know I haven't did a video in a very long time, but today I finally got Fingerlings. So let's open them up. Got my scissors. Maybe I won't need them, I don't know. Oh, nope, okay. I've got them. They're right here. First one is the adorable little baby. It's a little like mint green color, and it has purple hair and purple, pink, and a little bit of mint green. And you can, oh no, okay. Well, it's gonna say, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Bye!